Hello learners. Today in our managerial accounting session we'll be discussing about petty cash book. Already we have seen the theoretical aspect of petty cash book, why it is needed and how it is maintained and all those things. We have learned the theoretical aspect. Today we will be discussing or we will be solving a problem to make more clearer about the petty cash book. So petty cash book is maintained for like it is a cash book in which all the cash receipts and payment which are of petty nature, like which are a very simple nature, like and very small amounted transaction will be written, and for that there will be a implicit balance for a particular month. 100 rupees petty expenses will be there. Thinking in mind that 100 rupees will be the expense, the implicit cashier will be giving and 100 rupees for the expense, and out of that small expenses like for refreshment, for stationery, for pen, for pencil, or like office tea or cartage, traveling expense, telegram, telephone, postage, like such small expenses will be there. So we can solve this with an example. There is a problem which is given. You can just check out the problem of this is in the question it is given: prepare a petty cash book on implicit system. The system of maintaining petty cash book is the system by which we prepare petty cash book is implicit system, and the person, the cashier who prepare the petty cash book is known as implicit cashier. Okay, so here is the question: prepare petty cash book on implicit system of Sri Saxena and Co for the month of January 2010. So the particulars are written and the rupees are given. The opening balance is rupees 100 rupees on January 1st. Then again drew implicit from head cashier, that is again the place it is vacant, it is again 100 rupees, and again an implicit, drew an implicit from the head cashier. So wherever you see that drew from implicit cashier, that means that is 100 rupees. So opening balance is 100 rupees on the implicit system, and out of the 100 rupees received on 1st Jan, paid to for stamp, paid for cleaner's wage, for fare, office tea, repair, cycle, advertisement. After that on 8th again 100 rupee was received from the cashier, and that was paid for cartage, traveling. Now as we have seen the question, now we will see how to prepare a cash book, the performer of the cash book. This was already explained in your theoretical class. Here you can see in the petty cash book there is a date column, amount received, that is the amount drawn from the petty implicit cashier, then the register number will be then in regards to what particulars, the particulars will be there, then the folio number will be there, amount paid, that amount will be there, like for each item what is the amount paid, and allocation of expenses in what all head names that is paid, for postage and telegram, convenience and traveling, staff welfare activities, cartage and carriage, printing and stationery, those related aspects will be allocated as expense. There will be headings will be given in the same way. If you check out the question and if you see this balances, for 1st of January 100 rupee balance was paid, so it is written if the amount is drawn from the implicit cashier, it will be written as to balance brought down, and all other items, other items like all the payments will be written as by. The prefix by will be given. So if you see the question, you can see for paid for stamps rupees 12, for cleaners 15. Here you can see on 1st January to balance brought down is 100 rupees, it is written, and by stamps 12 rupees amount is paid, and you have to post that on the particular head, postage and telegram. So since under the postage and telegram the expense of stamp come, and again on 11th of January you can see by telegram charge 15 rupees is paid. So this comes under the postage and telegram. So you have to enter the transactions according to their headings. So this is the easiest and simplest way by which the petty cash book is prepared. So if you check out the question and if you practice this problem, it will be easy. And in petty cash book, the thing you have to remember is there will be different heads for each items, and if amount is received from the petty cash, that will be written as the prefix to by balance, to balance brought down, and payments are made, then it will be given the prefix by. Okay, so this is all about petty cash book and practice problem. Thank you.